everyone. So today I am going to start a new chapter that is vector algebra. इसका जो बेसिक्स है वेक्टर में क्या होता है जो ऑलरेडी क्लास 11 में तुम लोग पढ़ के आया, दैट इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्केलर क्वांटिटीज, व्हाट आर स्केलर क्वांटिटीज, व्हाट आर वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज. Scalar means what? Which have only magnitude. Vector means which have magnitude as well as directions. Okay? And you know the types of vectors like null vector, co-initial vector, co-terminal vectors. Okay? So these things you know. All the basic things, the definitions like triangle law of vector addition, parallelogram of law of vector addition. So all these things you know already you got in the last class. Okay? Now today I am going to start from the components of a vector. मैं वो सब definitions में नहीं जा रहा हूँ, like types of vectors, zero vector क्या है, co-initial vector क्या है, ये सब मैं अभी details में नहीं जाऊँगा. ठीक है, ये सब तो तुम लोगों को already मिल गया, like what do you mean by scalar quantity, what do you mean by vector quantity. These things I will not explain. I will explain from this topic, that is components of a vector. Okay, say it is a three-dimensional space. It is a three-dimensional plane because here x, y as well as z coordinates are there. Okay. Let P be any point in the plane. In this plane, let P be any point in the plane has coordinates x, y and z. ये किसका coordinates है? x, y, z. P का coordinate है. Okay. And I cap, j cap and k cap represents the unit vectors along x axis, or you can say ox, oy and oz. Okay, these I cap, j cap and k cap represent the directions. Yes, ये जो arrow mark दिया हुआ है direction, क्योंकि components of a vector means what, which have magnitude as well as direction, right? So if you will not mention the directions, then it will not complete vector, right? So that's why I mentioned here I cap, j cap and k cap are what? Unit vectors along ox, oy and oz. Okay. Then the position vector of P, you know position vector, how to find the position vector? Position vector of a point means terminal point minus initial point. Okay, so if I consider position vector of OP, यहाँ पे मैं एक बार पढ़ के देखता हूँ. PV means position vector. Position vector of P with reference to origin O, with reference to origin O is given by OP bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. अच्छा, OP bar दिया मतलब OP क्या है? एक वेक्टर है. ओके, यू सी द डायरेक्शन. OP बार में जो डायरेक्शन है, जो बार दिया हुआ है, एरो मार्क जो दिया हुआ है, this is from where to where? From O to P. So that means we can say that O is the initial point and P is the terminal. So OP bar is equal to xi cap. फॉर्मूला क्या है पोजीशन वेक्टर निकालने का? टर्मिनल पॉइंट माइनस इनिशियल पॉइंट. ओके, सो OP bar is equal to terminal means P and initial point is O. So terminal minus initial, x minus 0, that is xi cap, y minus 0, y, z minus 0, z. So since it is a vector, so you have to mention the directions also. So here the directions in this figure, the directions are what? I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, so OP bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This form of OP bar is called component form. Heading क्या है? Components of a vector. And this form of OP bar, which form of OP bar? OP bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This form of OP bar is called component form. Okay, and here x, y and z, coefficient of I cap, coefficient of j cap and coefficient of k cap. क्या क्या है? x, y and z. So here x, y and z are called scalar components. Are called scalar components. Why these x, y and z are called scalar components? Scalar means what? Which have only magnitude. इसीलिए तो coefficient of I, j and k को लिया. not including I, J, K, excluding I, J and K. If I include I cap, J cap and K cap, which means it have a direction. लेकिन स्केलर में तो डायरेक्शंस नहीं होता है. डायरेक्शन किस में होता है? सिर्फ वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज में होता है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इन दिस ओपी बार जो रिजल्ट मिला एक्स आई कैप प्लस वाई जे कैप प्लस जेड के कैप, एक्स वाई एंड जेड आर कॉल्ड स्केलर कंपोनेंट्स of OP bar, whereas xi cap, yj cap and zk cap are called vector components of OP bar. Now you can see the difference between scalar components and vector components. Components of a vector, two types. One is scalar component, another one is vector component. Scalar में जिसमें डायरेक्शन नहीं होता है, वेक्टर मीन्स विच हैव मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन. इसीलिए तो वेक्टर कंपोनेंट्स क्या क्या होता है? एक्स आई कैप including I, J and K, X I cap, Y J cap and Z K cap. Since this is three dimensional geometry, X Y Z axis है, इसीलिए तो X I cap, Y J cap, Z K cap हुआ. If you know the three dimensional geometry part, you can easily able to solve two dimensional geometry part. Two dimensional में क्या होगा? सिर्फ X और X I cap और Y J cap होगा, because उसमें तो Z axis नहीं होता है, right? So scalar components means the coefficients of I cap, J cap and K cap, whereas vector components means X I cap, Y J cap and Z K cap are called vector components of OP bar. Okay, the length, you know length means magnitude. The length of OP bar, how to find the length? The length of OP bar is given by magnitude. Magnitude of OP bar is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. That's it. By using this result, by using this formula, we can find the magnitude of any position vector OP. Okay. Now there are some important results in components form. जो मैं ये details में बताया, इसका कुछ important results मैं अभी बताने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. First point. If A bar and B bar are two vectors given in component form, that means say A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap and B bar is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap, then A bar plus B bar दोनों को अगर ऐड करोगे तो कैसे ऐड करना है? Just you see the coefficient of I cap, A1 plus B1 within bracket into I cap, A2 plus B2 into J cap, A3 plus B3 into K cap. Okay, so if you know how to add two vectors, you can easily find A minus B also. Okay, उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? A1 minus B1 into I cap plus A2 minus B2 into J cap plus A3 minus B3 into K cap. Okay, this is the first result. The second result is the multiplication of any vector A bar by a scalar quantity lambda, where lambda is a scalar quantity, is given by lambda into A bar. मतलब A bar में क्या क्या है? A1, A2, A3. तो lambda अगर multiply करना है तो कैसे करना है? Lambda A1 whole into I cap, lambda A2 whole into J cap plus lambda A3 whole into K cap. मतलब lambda को सब टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. That's it. What is this lambda? Lambda is a scalar quantity, right? Also A bar and B bar are called collinear. Collinear means same direction. Okay. A bar and B bar are collinear if and only if there exists, this is there exist symbol, there exists a non-zero scalar lambda such that B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. This is one of the important condition. Sorry, actually मैं third point skip कर गया. Extremely sorry. Third point देखो, vectors A bar and B bar are collinear. The two vectors are said to be collinear if and only if B1 by A1 equal to B2 by A2 is equal to B3 by A3, which is equal to constant. You can write which is equal to lambda also, because lambda is a scalar quantity. Okay, क्या है कंडीशन कोलिनियरिटी का? B1 by A1, इसका मतलब क्या है? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ I cap is equal to B2 by A2, coefficient of J cap is equal to B3 by A3, coefficient of K cap is equal to constant होना है. That means you can write lambda also. Okay, this is the condition of collinearity. ये सब conditions results याद रखना है for 1 mark question. कभी कभी numerical आ जाता है. I will explain some numericals also later. So A bar and B bar are collinear if and only if there exists a non-zero scalar lambda सच दैट बी बार इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा इंटू ए बार। क्यों ये लिखा? ये रिजल्ट से ही ये डिराइव हुआ। कैसे डिराइव हुआ? यू कैन सी नाउ b1 b2 b3 are what? These are the components of which vector? A bar or B bar? Of course B bar. Whereas a1 a2 and a3 are the components of A bar, right? So डिनोमिनेटर में किसका कंपोनेंट्स है? वेक्टर A बार का। न्यूमरेटर में किसका कंपोनेंट्स है? वेक्टर B बार का। सो B बार इन शॉर्ट b1 b2 b2 के b3 के जगह में इफ आई राइट b bar by a bar is equal to lambda, b bar by a bar equal to lambda, so which implies we can write b bar is equal to lambda into a bar or not? वही रिजल्ट यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है। Okay, you can use either this result or this result to check the collinearity. That means if the two vectors are collinear or not, you can use either this result or this formula. Okay, this result, from this result only we can derive this one. Okay, b bar equal to lambda into a bar, जो मैं दिखाया explain करके। Okay, number 4, if a bar is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, then a1 a2 a3 are called direction ratios of a bar. Already I have uploaded one material and I told you that you just go through the material here. All the introduction part of vector algebras are there. In that material only about direction ratios and direction cosines are given. Okay, once you go through that material. So coefficient of I cap, coefficient of j cap and coefficient of k cap are called direction ratios of the vector a bar. And the last point is any vector, मैं सब points का examples दूंगा, पहले points explain करने दो। Any vector having magnitude lambda in the direction of a vector a bar is given by lambda into a cap. Now what is this cap? What do you mean by cap? You know, I cap, j cap, k cap are what? Unit vectors. So a cap means also unit vector. And you know how to find unit vector of a vector. So a cap is equal to what? A bar by mod a. This is the formula only a cap का, ठीक है? Any vector having magnitude lambda in the direction of a vector a bar is given by lambda into a cap. Okay, so these are some important results in components form, and this is the details part of components of a vector. There are two types of components, scalar components and vector components, right? ये सब मैं notes upload कर दूंगा, मैं अभी explain किया. Now I will explain some more topic. Okay.